How to earn 6 figures per year with a paid online community. Paid online communities. Creating an online community involves building a group of individuals who share common interests, goals, or values. This can be done through social media or dedicated online platforms. It's ideal for individuals passionate about a particular topic who want to facilitate connections and share knowledge among like-minded people. Pros: opportunity to establish leadership and authority in a niche. Builds meaningful relationships and networks. Potential monetization through memberships, sponsorships, or exclusive content. Cons: hard to get traction in the early stages of community growth. Communities can lose value if they grow too large. Moderating a community can be time-consuming. How to start. Once you have an idea for a community, you need to start recruiting members. Do this by reaching out to people you'd like to have in your community or by promoting the community to your audience. You'll also need to choose a community platform. Free options include Slack, Discord, or Facebook groups, while paid options like Circle or Mighty Networks have features not offered by free tools. Here's a model case study. Like, subscribe and turn on your notifications.